Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So I am back with another tutorial video of how you can change individual app notification sound on iPhone. So to get started, go ahead and tap on your settings. Now you will be appear with your mobile phone settings. Now here you have several options. Tap on notifications. Now here, as you can see, all the application from your mobile phone is appear right here. So now here you can select any app that you want to customize the sound. For instance, I'm choosing this FaceTime. Just tap on it and now here you can see the option sounds. Now tap on it. Now you can see several options. Now you can select any options you like, or you can select any sound you would like to add. So that's all guys. This is how easily you can change individual app notification sound on iPhone. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.